Hey everyone, it's Family Cool Reviews here. In this video I'll be unboxing this new for me. I'm not sure how long it's been on the market, but it's a car humidifier. So here's the product description. So it's basically it's my first car humidifier ever. I really want to try. I want to see how it works, if it does make a difference or not. I think car humidifier is great really in any place, any weather really. Either you use the air conditioning or the heater in your car, either of them, it really kind of dries up the air in your car. So I think this is a really good idea to just put back some moisture in the air in your car. So this little thing, it's just an extra filter, which is great. I like that idea. So instructions, here's the cable. So basically it's like a USB cable. What's really good about it, you can use it on your office desk if you want. You know, you can plug in the computer or you can put it in your car. So here it is. Little cup where you're gonna pour the water, and this is the top, and this is the actual mechanism, the actual humidifier. As you can see, there's a filter already in, and here it is. It's super easy to change it when it's time. I guess when it gets like yellowish color or some weird other color than white, so definitely gotta change it. So plug it in, and that's basically how it stays in there. Just gonna pour some water and try it out. It's great size for the cup holder in a car. So I'll just plug it into my computer. So when you push the button, it starts working, and as you can see, there's a little stream of like steam. It's really nice and cool steam. The top, I think, is pretty like, spill proof. And yeah, so the filter fills up with water, kind of absorbs water, and then does this. That's so neat. I think this is really cool. It's adorable. Super neat. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to Family Cool Reviews, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!